it's me, Michaela. We're back with another video, and today Christopher went fishing, and we've never cooked fish before. No, like not right out the water. And I'm gonna eat this big of a piece because like I'm not eating that big piece because yeah, no. I'm gonna eat the whole. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know how you like this video.
This is a trout, guys. Okay, you want to come a little closer?
This one's kind of small.
Oh.
And I signed up to eat this.
What's that?
Oh no.
Daddy cut the fish?
I mean, that's how you imagine it, like a salmon.
Yuck. Yes. No.
You eat the fish?
So all this right here is wasted meat, but this is one of the first times I've ever done this before. Now,
Anybody want to take a stab at it?
No, I will.
You want to touch it?
Yeah.
And clean it?
Yeah, why not?
Juju, you want to touch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Boys want to touch it. All right. Let Juju hold it. You want to see the fish? Touch it.
Oh no, I see it's hard.
You want to touch it, Kay?
I touch it. Alright.
Okay, come help him with Juju, please.
It's so slimy. Ew. Touch the eye. Touch the eye. Touch it. Oh. Wait, want to touch it?
Anybody want to cut the head off?
I'll do it for how much?
For free. No?
Alright.
So this is the part you got to cook.
Oh, that's a big bass.
it's a trout.
As a trout.
They get bigger?
No.
Oh, you see the slime?
That's
Yeah,
scales.
scales.
Mm. It's starting to smell like regular fish. Here, touch right here. Ew. Oh, it's so slimy. I can't even. It's slimy.
It's fishing.
Look at all that blood, Juju.
You want to touch it again? You want to hold it?
Can you touch it? Okay. Where are you going? I've never heard Juju say it. Touch it.
Juju, Jay, I'll knock you. I'll knock you out.
Our mom's not a big fan of this. Hey,
Not
look,
at
he's
all.
doing a headstand. Insane, like Jarvis headstand.
My kids are gross, guys. Caleb, you y'all, I am not a fan of this part. Don't know if I'm gonna eat it, but I'm gonna taste like Michaela said, a little small piece. I'm gonna try a small piece because no. What else? I'm getting a little graphic. My kids are pretty cool with this. I want to see him eat it though. Okay.
I don't like the bitch with the fishy on me.
Ooh. I'll let y'all know how it tastes and now. Actually really good.
Hey, you passed it.
Cause I was not gonna eat it. I'm not even kidding. Is it yummy or no? Is it yummy? Yummy?
I like it. It tastes like regular fish, but I didn't put it in taste like that.
Sorry.
It's got like a gamey aftertaste.
Yeah, in your mouth after you swallow. Isn't that good? Or you just thinking about the guts you've seen on the table?
No!
How is it?
It was good, but after you said that, it makes me. That's just nasty.
It was a dope experience. It's the first time. I mean, not the first time I cleaned fish, but it's the first time I cooked and tasted a fish after I cleaned it. So it's pretty cool. It was a success for me. But now I want to catch a bigger, better species of eating fish and try again. So.
Hey guys, overall the fish was pretty good. It's better than I expected it to be. But if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video.